How to increase your income without working more hours. What if I told you that you've been working hard your entire life the wrong way? You grind day in and day out, putting in extra hours, sacrificing sleep, missing time with your loved ones, and yet your bank account still looks the same. Here's the harsh truth: more hours won't make you rich. And if you keep believing that hard work alone is the key to success, you're setting yourself up for a lifetime of struggle. But here's the good news. There's a way to increase your income without working more hours. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Stay with me until the end, because missing even one step could cost you thousands of dollars. Let's dive in. Why working more hours doesn't work. For years, we've been sold the same lie. If you want to make more money, just work harder. But let's break this down. If working harder really made people rich, wouldn't construction workers, teachers, and nurses be millionaires? Wouldn't the people pulling 16-hour shifts be the ones driving luxury cars and retiring early? Yet, who actually ends up wealthy? Business owners, investors, entrepreneurs. Why? Because they understand one critical rule. Your income is not limited by your hours. Your income is limited by your strategy. And if you don't know the right strategy, you'll be trapped in the cycle of endless work, barely getting ahead, while others make money in their sleep. Let's be real for a second. How many times have you worked overtime, expecting a bigger paycheck, only to see a huge chunk taken by taxes? How many promotions have you been promised, only to be passed over because the company can't afford it? And let's not forget inflation. Everything gets more expensive, but your paycheck stays the same. It's frustrating. It's exhausting. And if you don't change your approach, 5 years from now, you'll still be stuck in the same position, wondering where all your time went. So, what's the solution? How do you break free? How to boost your income without extra work hours. Here's the 5 powerful game plan, and trust me, this is the same strategy used by the wealthy. Number 1. Build multiple streams of income. Your 9 to 5 should never be your only source of income. Relying on a single paycheck is like balancing on one leg. One small shift and everything crashes. Whether it's freelancing, investing, starting an online business, or real estate, you need a second stream of income that makes money even when you're sleeping. Pro tip: start small. If you love writing, offer freelance gigs. If you're good at sales, try affiliate marketing. Don't overthink it, just start. Number 2, get paid for your value. Not your time. Trading time for money is the slowest way to wealth. Instead, focus on results. The more valuable your skill, the more you can charge. That's why consultants, coaches, and digital entrepreneurs can earn thousands per client without working insane hours. Pro tip: identify one high-demand skill and master it. Whether it's graphic design, copywriting, or public speaking, becoming the best in one area means you'll always be in demand. Number 3, leverage automation and passive income. The wealthy don't work harder, they work smarter. They use automation, digital products, and investments that generate income without constant effort. Imagine making money while you're on vacation. That's the goal. Pro tip: start with something simple like creating an online course or selling digital products. A little effort up front can create long-term passive income. Number 4, master high-income skills. If you're stuck earning $15 an hour, it's not your fault. You just haven't been taught the right skills. Coding, copywriting, sales, social media marketing. These skills can turn a minimum wage job into a 6-figure career. Pro tip: take advantage of free resources. YouTube, online courses, and books can help you learn high-income skills without spending a dime. Number 5, network with people who make more than you. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If everyone around you is broke, struggling, and complaining, guess what? That's your future. Surround yourself with high earners and your mindset and income will change. Pro tip: join online communities, attend networking events, and engage with successful people on social media. The right connections open doors you never knew existed. Now you have 2 choices. You can keep doing what you've always done, working harder, putting in extra hours, hoping for a raise that may never come. Or you can break the cycle. You can take control of your income, learn the strategies that the wealthy use, and start building a life of financial freedom. The truth is, no one is coming to save you. The system is designed to keep you trapped, but today, you've been given the key to escape. The only question is, will you use it? Drop a comment below and tell me which strategy you're going to apply first. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because we're just getting started. See you in the next video.